Macpresse Europa's production facility is located in the province of Milan. It covers over 17,000 square meters of indoor space and has an annual production capacity of approximately 50 machines, with around 70% destined for export markets. Within the facility operates the technical division, which oversees the entire machine development cycle, from initial design to production and final delivery to the customer. The same facility houses the sales offices, including a large meeting room dedicated to client presentations and project discussions. A second area is dedicated to offices managing quotations and shipments. The quality control department, spare parts division, and remote support service are also located on site. Machine production begins with sheet metal cutting, carried out using two systems, one plasma cutting system and one combined plasma oxyfuel cutting system. The cutting process is fully automated, using programs developed internally by the technical department to ensure precision, repeatability, and optimized sequencing. Macpresse manufactures its own steel structures in-house across two dedicated buildings. The company carries out the entire production cycle within its facility, where both balers and conveyors are produced and assembled. Continuing along the production line, we reach the core manufacturing phase, steel fabrication, entirely carried out within our facility. In addition to the main plant, there is a second site specifically dedicated to steel structure construction. Completed structures are stored in a dedicated area within the facility. Once steel structure production is completed, the semi-finished components return to plant number 1 to complete machine assembly. Inside the workshop, there are several operational areas, including the CNC area for mechanical machining. The process starts from raw material, and components are machined in batches to ensure spare parts availability and dimensional consistency. Mechanical machining includes the manufacturing of all mechanical components of the balers, and is carried out using CNC machines and dedicated press brakes. At this stage, the press shear blade support is manufactured, an essential component that ensures long-term precision and durability. The equipment includes multiple CNC machines capable of supporting required production volumes and standards. All components are produced internally and inspected according to quality procedures in compliance with ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certifications. Within the facility, Macpresse manufactures all components of the tying unit and performs their assembly. The tying unit and needle assembly are designed with a robust structure to ensure long-term durability and reliability. The only externally purchased components are electrical parts, selected from specialized suppliers. The company also manufactures its hydraulic power units in-house, starting from sheet metal processing and continuing through assembly and functional testing phases. Once the hydraulic unit is completed and the machine steel structures are finalized, the so-called marriage phase takes place, meaning the integration of the main assemblies. All machines undergo no-load testing for more than 24 hours to verify cycles, power absorption, sealing, and to prevent potential issues during installation. Macpresse operates 2 painting booths, where the entire process is carried out using water-based paints, consistent with the company's commitment to environmental sustainability. The painting cycle includes an initial anti-rust primer application, followed by the application of the requested customer color. The reference color, unless customized, is Macpresse Green. At the end of the painting cycle, the baler is fully assembled to verify the correct alignment of all components and ensure proper operational performance. Once the machine has been assembled and tested, it is prepared for final delivery to the customer, with transport organized by truck or container, depending on the final destination. Macpresse operates in approximately 70 countries and has several dedicated service workshops located in strategic areas. Macpresse systems can be standalone units, consisting of a baler with a feeding conveyor, or part of complete sorting lines or integrated systems for RDF production, as in this case, where multiple machines operate in synergy within the same plant. Balers can operate in combination with wrapping units. Macpresse produces on average about 5 machines per month, reaching approximately 50 per year. Within the facility operates a dedicated after-sales office, connected in real time with field technicians, ensuring appropriate support and reduced intervention times. The spare parts department is integrated with a management system, CRM, that allows real-time visualization of materials and warehouse availability. The spare parts warehouse has an approximate value of 8 million euros, a sizing that allows rapid fulfillment of requests and reduction of machine downtime. Decentralized warehouses are active in various areas of the world at authorized sales and service centers. Cylinders are stored in the dedicated spare parts area, organized to ensure promptness and precision in deliveries. All press wear surfaces are covered with Hardox 450 wear-resistant steel plates, bolted and easily replaceable. This solution allows fast maintenance and significantly extends the machine's service life thanks to the material's high abrasion resistance. Remote video assistance in real time through a direct connection with our after-sales support office. Macpresse supplies plants worldwide. In this case, we see an installation in Astana, Kazakhstan for the treatment of approximately 1,500 tons per day of municipal solid waste. The material is sorted and screened to recover valuable fractions such as plastic, paper, and cardboard. The remaining fraction, free of recoverable components, is compacted and sent to landfill. In this way, waste volume is reduced, management costs are lowered, and landfill lifespan is extended. Macpresse balers can be installed in automatic sorting lines in linear, L-shaped, or T-shaped configurations, depending on available space and material flow. The balers are multi-material and can process plastic, wood, mixed waste, and other fractions depending on configuration. In addition to standalone configurations, Macpresse balers can be integrated into large sorting plants dedicated to the treatment and recovery of recyclable materials, such as plastics, where they operate as final compaction units, ensuring high productivity and service continuity. As the final phase of the sorting process, balers must guarantee maximum reliability, operational continuity, and high performance. Originally designed for paper recycling, Macpresse balers can now be equipped with a full range of options: shredders and fluffer, conveyor belts, wrapping units, dust extraction systems, and soundproof cabins. These accessories allow bale integrity to be maintained, material density to be increased, and management and storage costs to be optimized. Thanks to the high density and integrity of the compacted material, bales are easy to handle, require less storage space, and enable more efficient transport by road, rail, or sea, significantly reducing overall logistics costs. For over 50 years, Macpresse has been a private leading manufacturer in the sector of balers and systems for waste and recyclable material treatment.